To fix the Safari not opening or loading site in the iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can fix this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your phone settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and here is the option of the screen time. You have to click on it. From here you have to again scroll down and as you can see that here is the option of the restrictions, content and the privacy. You have to click on it. From here you have to go in the content restrictions and you have to again scroll down and here is the option of the web content. You have to click on it and here you have to make sure that the unrestricted option is selected, and if the allowed website or the limit adult website is selected you just have to unselect it and select the unrestricted, and after that you just have to go back and from here you have to again scroll down and you have to go in the Safari browser. From here you have to scroll down a little bit and here is the option of the clear history and the website data. You have to tap on it. Now here is the clear time frame. You have to select the time frame and after that here in the additional options you have to go in it and clear the history of your Safari, and after that you just have to go and restart your Safari browser, and if it is still not fixed you just have to go into your phone settings. Now you have to go in the transfer or the reset iPhone and here you have to restart it, and after that you are able to fix your Safari not opening or loading the sites in your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.